During the course of an on-site examination of regulated entities for the period ended March 31st, 2023, the RBI has found instances of lenders resorting to unfair practices in charging of interest. Now, some observations made by the RBI are very interesting and, of course, should matter to all viewers and customers sitting at home. Some of the key observations made are charging of interest from the date of sanction of loan or date of execution of loan agreement and not from the date of actual disbursement of the funds to the customer. Similarly, in the case of loans being disbursed by cheque, instances were observed, says the RBI, where interest was charged from the date of the cheque, whereas the cheque was handed over to the customer several days later. They also say in the case of disbursal or repayment of loans during the course of the month, some regulated entities were charging interest for the entire month rather than charging interest only for the period for which the loan was outstanding. So some key observations really by the RBI, and of course the RBI really now making this directive very, very clear in the interest of customers. To decode this further for all viewers and customers sitting at home, we are joined by Sanchita Mukherjee, Senior Business Economist. Sanchita, thank you for sparing the time. Really a clear, transparent mandate from the RBI in the interest of all customers.
Yes, absolutely. I'm very happy that they actually addressed this 2003 guideline, which is the Fair Practices Code. In the letter of spirit, and the spirit of fairness and transparency, because this Fair Practices Code actually does not have a standard practice protocol. It gives a lot of freedom to lenders in terms of pricing their loans, but it does not have the standard practices that one needs to follow. So it needs to be followed with complete fairness and transparency is what RBI has pointed out. If you see the spate of action, the regulatory action which RBI has undertaken, it's fairly good for the consumer because RBI has taken action on the asset quality, on risk management practices, on cyber security, on the tech platforms, on underwriting of credit cards, all of that. So I think the regulator has done a fabulous job. In terms of loan pricing, apart from all the points that you've just mentioned, which is, low interest cannot be charged from the sanction date. It should be ideally, again, in all sense of fairness, be charged from the disbursal date. If, for example, the entire loan amount has been paid out, then you cannot charge from the middle of, for the entire month if, somebody has paid out the loan from the middle of the month, things like that. I think another important facet that the regulator can look at, because India right now has an all-time interest rate hike. Typically what happens when rate cut happens, right? In flexible loans, the reset of the interest rates does not happen automatically in certain institutions, which carry on with a higher rate of interest being charged to clients over a period of time. Only it is when the client go and observe that this is a case and this needs to come down with an interest rate cut, then the following is readjusted. Things like that. I think RBI has done a fabulous job, if you ask me.
That's right. And of course, the RBI is saying that all regulated entities are directed to review their practices. The review of lending practices will be in the interest of fairness and transparency. Do you think this will then be a bigger boost in the long run?
Oh, yes, absolutely. I mean, if you'd see, even in September 2023, Indian Central Bank Professor Dr. Shaktikanta Das, he was awarded the Best Central Banker Award in the world by a US think tank. And I think rightfully so, because RBI as looking at the regulatory aspect, which is all encompassing. It is not just credit, not just lenders. It is also across payment banks. It is across the transformation of small finance banks into universal banks. It is across credit card platforms. It is across IT platforms. It is across the NBFC lending to the banking lending, all of it. And the RBI's focus, which is on the asset quality, on the customers, fairness and transparency to the retail customers, on underwriting, I think it goes a very long way. Very few countries in the world have these kind of practices that the RBI is currently following and recommending.
Right. So the RBI really urging all to act in the interest of fairness and transparency, and that really will benefit you, the customer, the viewer. Thank you so much for decoding that for us.